Emma and I'm back with another video. Today we have the Spring FabFitFun box. Okay, so showed up. It's February. We're gonna get a snowstorm tomorrow, maybe. But let's open up the spring box. So right off the bat, I did get this in a bigger mailer box because I decided to add on for the first choice. I added on this fridge tote or cooler bag, I should say. I don't know words. So it's a cooler bag. So I figured I could use it maybe for like lunches. I mean, it's a decent, and I really don't have that many like type of cooler bags. It's a decent size. Let's see here. I feel like this could hold quite a few things. And then we've got a little thing here. I feel like this will be really cute to use. So I added this on for, I think it was like $15, and I think pretty decent. Alright, so let's get into the actual goodies. The goodies. Okay, so this is definitely a smaller box because there really wasn't a lot of like big home-ish options. Not that I really picked, I don't think. Okay, so we have the little FabFitFun magazine thing. It's kind of cool. I don't know if I really took the time to go through everything last time, but it's kind of cool to see everything. There's a few makeup products that were available this month. And hopefully they're in here, the ones that I chose. Oh yeah, now I'm remembering some of the stuff I picked, so I should probably keep going. We got a few stickers, kind of cool there. Okay, got a few more things, little promotional things. Let's see here. Like Hello Fresh, solid option, and then I think this is some sort of Bright Sellers wine subscription thing. And then we've got the goods. Okay, let's pick out probably, I would say this is the biggest thing, which when I was picking it, I thought it might have been bigger, but I guess not. Okay, so I picked out a Cosmetic organizer case. I mean, you can get like an organizer stuff at like TJ Maxx for like $7-8. So I don't know if this is really, it was probably the thing I was least excited about. And yeah, so it's kind of got that cute little daisy background, but ooh, that was loud. I need it. Alright. Yeah, so it has, well, they said 9 holder. I suppose that's right. So there'd be 6 here, 2 in the back, and then a main one. Maybe I can just set all of my goodies in here as I go. Maybe I'll do that. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, so they had some Fenty Beauty on this for the first add-on. So I decided to go with the Gloss Bomb Heat, which I don't know. I might just put some lip gloss on. I'm going to have to put some more on. Gotta try it out. Okay, so I got Lemon Lava and Hot Cherry. So we got here. Let's see if they, this is so hyped up. I have never bought anything from Fenty. I know, who am I? but now I do. 2 of them in the box. Okay, so the Lemon Lava, I always like smelling lip gloss. I'm so weird. You know, it does smell like lemon. It smells really good. I wonder which one, I mean, let's be fair, I'm gonna try one of these right now and see. This might be a mistake. Because what about if I, but like, you know, it smells pretty good too. Hopefully I don't totally numb my lips. Because it's supposed to, heat's supposed to be plumping. So it's supposed to be plumping. You're going to see live how plumping it is. Kind of did one swipe on each top and bottom of the lips. So yeah, right now I'm really enjoying the Lunar Beauty lip gloss. So this might be, if I need a little plump in action, I'll go for these. I could definitely see myself wearing these, I would say. Feeling a little bit of something, but we'll see. Oh, these are octagon shaped, so they actually don't even fit in this thing. So, okay. Well, this is not going to be the permanent home for that one. Alright, what else do we have? Yeah, it was kind of a lot of skin products that I picked up this time. Okay, so I think the next one I picked was the Pharmacy Honey Halo Hydrating, Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. I think I said that all right. Yeah, so this was kind of hyped up. I've heard some good things from Pharmacy. I'm glad that some skincare is in the box. Okay. So let's get the packaging. Okay, so we got a little metal spatula, not like a little plastic one. And then it goes right down on the cap. It's magnetic. It's a really good touch. Really nice. Okay, and then we have a nice little pot. I'm really dry right now, so let me feel this. It doesn't really have that much of a scent. I mean, maybe kind of a honey scent, but definitely not a lot of fragrance. You know, this feels really hydrating. It's really nice. I mean, it might be kind of hard if you get really in there to get all this out, because it's only one, like a small hole, and then there's this whole, what is this, 6-sided? Is that a pentagon? I'm so bad. Maybe that's, okay, this is a hexagon, pentagon, something like that. This has 5 sides, the Fenty one, and then this one has 6. So, it's been a while since I took geometry. No judgments here. Okay, so this one's really nice. Excited about this. I'm basically just getting my drawer just all stocked up full of goodies. Okay, the next thing I decided to get, okay, so this was a 4 fluid ounce. So this would not be like a full size, but I got the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, the keratin one, because I think it's supposed to be good for, I don't know, frizzy hair or something like that. I think that's why I chose it, because in the little manifest thing is talking about that. Okay, here you go. Oh, if you have dry hair, get this one. So that's why I got it. Dry hair. That's what I was going for. I guess I could have gotten the purple one too, leave-in product. That one probably would have worked for my hair, but I mean, it's pretty dry, so I'm pretty excited about that one. And then we have this one. I would say with this little tray, this probably would have been the next thing that I was just like, it's alright. So this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate. Which I'm kind of lazy. I don't really exfoliate that much, to be honest. But this is 2 fluid ounces. It's a decent size. Oh, it has safety seal. It's always a plus. Gotta love that safety seal. Okay. Trying to. Okay, it's not a scent that I'm totally gonna love, I imagine, but feel instant results in 2 minutes. So for 2 minutes, I think I could keep it on my skin. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. Yeah, I feel like the fact that it has to stay on your skin for like 30 seconds a minute or whatnot, I think, sure, I'll go ahead and try and use this and see if it works for me. Okay, I think this is the last thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 items plus the add-on was all we were getting this time around. Which, yeah, so I got this Hourglass Blush, and of course I already got fingerprints on it. Of course I did. Okay, so this is the blush. Nice and pinky with a little of that marble pattern. So I guess this is like the only like makeup. So I guess I'll swatch it. Definitely light, definitely pretty smooth. Okay. Definitely kind of got a sheen to it, so you could definitely use it as blush and like a little bit of highlight on the cheeks, I would say. I mean, this is definitely a light color. So if you're anybody deeper than I am, because I feel like even I'm kind of, it's really light that you have to like build it up. So if anybody's like tan, I don't think this would show up. I mean, it might show up as like a pinky highlighter, maybe. So it's kind of got that sheen, to, like, you know, strobe within or whatever. So they kind of knew what they were talking about when they named it. But yeah. And I'm looking at the, of course I got a Dory hair on me. So I'm looking at my lips when I put, you know, the little bit of it on that I did a few minutes ago. And, you know, I did feel tingling throughout the video as I was talking a little bit. But I would say, for sure where I put it down, you know, she is plump. Like, it did magic to my lips, and it's like a little subtle keep going with it. But I tried one of the Too Faced lip injection or whatever like 3 years ago, and that was like really intense. It was way too intense for me. But this one, it's a good in between, not too subtle. I don't think it's too much, but the result though, I think it's looking pretty good. So got these, Hourglass Blush, hair stuff, got the little moisturizer, exfoliator. Yeah, I feel like this is a pretty solid box. Only if you really wanted kind of hair care, skincare, makeup. There wasn't very many producty things, I don't think. So this might not have been for you if you wanted more like springy type of household goods. There were a few household goods, but not a lot. So yeah, I hope you liked watching my video about what I decided to get. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.